super exciting day. Last coat of anti-fouling to go on the hull in those locations that were under the pads. And that is it. Then I'll just do some general cleanup and get things a little more organized. The boat definitely has suffered a little in the cabin and the cockpit during this haul out. Those areas were very neglected and got pretty messy. One of the things that took the worst beating was the carpet. So I hauled it out and I'm going to give it a good cleaning and just throw it into the locker. It's that time of year where I don't really need it, and I really missed how nice the hardwood floors look. What I might do today in between coats is laundry. You can see that I have a massive pile of laundry to do. One of the things I really haven't talked about during the haul out series is the head systems upgrade. That'll be the part 2 video, but I will upload that after I'm done this series. But here is a little sneak peek. One of the things I'm not going to miss about being on the hard is going up and down this ladder. I couldn't even count how many times I do that in a day. Now that that first coat of anti-fouling is on, you can see that it feathered out pretty well from all the other coats I'd put on, and then having the stands moved. I had to feather out those square areas, and I think it's going to be okay. Maybe the second coat will look even better. The draft for this boat has had some conflicting numbers compared to the manual to online, and it's either 5'10" or 5'11" inches. So today I thought I might as well find out what it is exactly. Well, I ended up taking several measurements from different locations, and it seems that 6'2" is the draft, which is confusing because I thought 5'10" or 5'11" was what I was going to get. I don't think I'm making a mistake with it, but maybe I am, I don't know. So is it possible this boat has a little bit longer keel? If anyone out there knows the answer to that, I'd love to hear back from you. If there were any CNCs built with a deeper draft keel. And I've measured from the ground. I put a block down to offset the measurement because my keel's on blocks. And I measured to where I know the existing water line is. And that's the official measurement, 6'2" inches. And there, the final coat is done. It's still a bit wet. But you can't really see where the pads were sitting other than the paint being wet. There won't be much left to do tomorrow, so I might actually just have a relaxing day in the yard, which will be really unusual.